Hikvision has just unveiled a new and efficient DVR that is easy to set up and easy to use, the Hikvision eDVR series. This is a revolutionary DVR that uses embedded solid-state drive technology to provide reliable and energy-efficient video storage. But first, let's take a look at the packaging. As you can see, the box is made of biodegradable materials that are environmentally friendly and easy to recycle. The company is committed to reducing its carbon footprint and protecting the planet. So let's open the box and see what's inside. First, we're greeted by a quick setup guide and pamphlet for the Hik Pro Connect app. Here we have the eDVR itself, which is very compact and sleek. A power adapter for the eDVR, and the mouse. The eDVR has a metal casing that feels sturdy and durable. It also has a fanless design that makes it silent and energy efficient. On the back panel, we have the video and coaxial audio input ports for analog cameras, an Ethernet port, an HDMI port, a VGA port, another USB port, and a power adapter. Comparing this to a regular sized DVR by Hikvision, you can see its compactness. It's impressive you're getting the same performance for less than half the size. We also compare this to the size of an average 3.5-inch hard drive. The screwless design makes it tool-free installation possible and reduces setup time by up to 70%. Speaking of hard drives, what's in for the eDVR storage? Well, one of the coolest things about this eDVR is that it doesn't need a hard disk drive to store the recordings. It has a built-in eMMC flash memory that can store up to 14 days of footage from 4 to 8 cameras. Thanks to the eSSD, the eDVR is a power-efficient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional DVRs with energy consumption as low as 5.42 to 5.82 watts. With energy savings of up to 40 to 45 kilowatts per hour per year, users can reduce their carbon footprint and save on electricity bills. To set up the eDVR, all you have to do is run through the basic DVR setup once you open the eDVR, and then connect it to your cameras and your monitor using the cables provided. Then you can use the included mouse to access the menu and configure the settings. You can also download the Hik Connect app on your smartphone or tablet and scan the QR code on the eDVR to view your cameras remotely. The app is very user-friendly and intuitive, and it allows you to watch playback recordings, receive alerts, and control your cameras from anywhere. Its Deep Learning-based Motion Detection 2.0 is enabled by default for all analog channels. It can classify human and vehicle, and extremely reduce false alarms caused by objects like leaves and lights. I'm really impressed by the performance and quality of this eDVR. It's definitely one of the most interesting products reviewed on this channel. If you're interested in buying one for yourself or your business, you can check out our Facebook page and our Lazada pages for more information and offers. Get the confidence that comes with energy-efficient, cost-saving, and reliable data storage. I'll leave the link in the description below. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more CCTV and other tech reviews. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this eDVR or if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.